It's September 4th, 2025. Yesterday was a month since Stoney passed away. I took this video and I wasn't going to show it because I had the camera angle wrong and the whole video is looking at Stoney, but now that he's gone, I thought I would post it. And it's you pretty much get to watch him walking the whole Fortuna car show with my friend Melvin Haggard. So it's probably boring, but here it is.
Nice breeze, huh? Hello.
Hi. Oh, it's a cute dog.
Thank you. Oh, there you go. Huh. No? There's a prowler I was talking about like that.
Oh yeah,
I think they're cool.
I had one like that.
Who did?
Someone had one.
Oh, there's one in town. Everett's wife. Look at this Volkswagen. Look at this Volkswagen. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. I'd rather have that one.
Yeah.
One like that, pound, same color and everything.
Might be. What's it say? The owner is. I saw a Carmagia. Well, you're the one that Amy likes Carmagias.
Yeah.
I saw one in Crescent City. It was kind of a brown, light brown. But I tell you what, it was beautiful. It looked like it just came off the showroom. He's so different in crowds now. It's sad. He pulls. It's like, hey, you. Slow down. Yeah, that'd be neat. I wouldn't mind having that. I like the color. I was going to paint my 55 that color.
Oh, I haven't seen one of those.
Oh wow. Look at this El Camino. That's nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's pretty cool, that thing. Volkswagen thing. Take this orange truck up here too. That's nice. I wish I would have known when Gary Holbert sold his. I would have bought it, but he sold it to Russ' dad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a long time ago. That's pretty.
Who had that before him?
I don't remember. Wow, this is really pretty.
That's one truck I met in my old 72.
That's beautiful. Look at that. If I came across something like that for sale, I'd probably buy it. So that truck, that old truck didn't belong to like Mike Hammer or anything, did it? Or
What? No, black?
Gary's old truck?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Nice Chevelle right here. Yeah. these two. Is that a Willie's? That's
What
cute.
happened to Peterson?
I don't know. Look at that. His was different though.
Yeah.
That's cool. I'd love to have one of those. I mean, that's just a neat body style, you know. I'd like to have that too. When I first moved back to Crescent City, and remember on Washington Boulevard, right across from Porteous, there was a machine shop. An old guy lived.
Oh
there.
yeah, Art.
Yeah, and he had a Corvette like that.
Oh really?
In '89 when I moved back, and I could have bought it for 10 grand. Didn't have 10 grand.
Yeah.
This is nice. Like a 69 probably. Nova. I used to really like Novas. I don't know anymore. It's like, careful. Now he's tripping over his own feet.
What's that?
Now Stoney's tripping over his own feet.
You put that same drive-through.
You gotta go pee or porta potties.
This way, watch out! You gotta come this way. I know you see me going.
You need to go? I might. Let's go over here. I think I gotta go. You gotta hold my dog while I go. I guess I'll turn this off when I go in there.
Anyway, we just got back and then we're going to show Saturday. So right here. Okay, you guys take care.
See you, Roger. That's a nice Bronco right there.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful.
I have to introduce myself to him every
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty.
Oh yeah. Okay. Definitely, yeah.
He's friendly. Sure. Huh?
Who's this?
Stoney. Stoney.
Stoneys. Stoney there.
Stoney. Huh?
The paint on this.
Yeah. I like this truck here. It's always good.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Oh, he was. Remember he couldn't get a parking spot in the garage last night. Oh, I love that. Oh, that was.
Pretty nice.
Because we were worried what in the world's happening because I could see it.
Nova.
Oh, we lost you.
What is that? It's not a Nova. It's a Rambler. Oh my God. Yeah. Look at the front.
Wow.
Your Rambler wasn't that cool.
So he bought two TR3s for like $400.
Wow, it looks like it goes a lot further this year down the street.
If I can have any car, we do that 68 Camaro on the very first block. 427.
That's pretty.
427. that Pispega was.
Like my 55, 56 when I got it, brought it home. Nice El Camino.
It's that. Yeah, 99 cents.
It's pretty good.
Well, let's go on the other side.
Yeah, every so many steps I feel it.
I was trying to hang back a little bit so the stuff would heal.
This guy over here to my right's from Crescent City, right here with the gray hair.
Oh, yeah. He's got several people.
Does he?
Yeah. Rookie.
Okay.
And it's 19.
About 4 months.
56 down there.
Yeah. Pretty. Wow, so I got a V8 in it? Does it have a V8 in it?
No, I could doesn't it?
Yeah,
This way.
that's cool. Wow, that'd be fun. I'd like to have this.
Yeah. One like that. Haven has one like that, doesn't he?
Yeah, it's a Chevy though. This is suicide doors. I like the suicide doors.
I like the Woody.
Man, this thing goes on forever. Hey, you, come on. This is pretty right here. You know, Johnny Pappas still has one. I don't think he ever brings it out anymore.
He has two. He bought Mike Ham's.
Oh, yeah.
He had
Well, dude, we're not even halfway done.
that one that he had in high school.
You said that.
I like this El Camino over here, the green one. Yeah.
I like this color too.
Yeah, I just don't see nothing for sale anymore, you know. Like I say, not that I would buy it.
Never know. I didn't think I'd buy a rifle today either.
GTO. I almost bought a GTO for my first car, but didn't do it. There's a... Oh, it's pretty. Finally got to see Dwayne's old 34 Chevy pickup that he's working on. That's nice. Have you seen
Everything he's got is nice.
it? Yeah.
No, I haven't. I want to go to his house. And
Yeah, we should go by. He said if his gate's open, he's there, so we should stop by someday. Two.
Yeah, I don't want to bring it.
Stoney's not as enjoyable to take anymore. He's pulling the whole time. It's hard. And I used to not even know he was at the end of the leash. That's pretty. Wow. Quick. Whew.
they might have something like this.
55.
Wagon.
I think that's what Tom Stewart's dad had one of those.
Really?
Yeah, white one. Nice Nova. Chevy 2. Something smells good. Another nice old Bronco coming up here. Man, that's pretty. Look at that.
Roy Rooks.
I don't think so. I've never seen this. Say who the owner is. Jake Wood, Fortuna, no, Chris Boswell. That's pretty, man.
66.
It's freaking gorgeous. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Huh?
That's cool.
Oh. You know, there's an old car like this that used to run around Crescent City. There's an old man driving it. I haven't seen it for a while.
He had two, didn't he? He had
I don't know.
two old cars.
But I haven't seen him for probably over a year. Yeah. Yes. What are you looking at? Oh, yeah. He's got one of these, too.
I like this.
So, I wonder who that old man was. Did you ever meet him?
No. He always had some driving him around.
Reading.
In your room? And then I saw you post it. You can wake up to hear.
Oh.
Jeep for sale.
Hmm?
Jeep for sale.
What's for sale?
Jeep.
Oh. Yeah. Been there, done that.
I paid for it. My car did I
Yeah, I really haven't seen anything that I couldn't live without.
You know, like you said, any car by itself.
It's gorgeous. Yeah.
Put them in it next to something like this. Not so much.
Oh, that's like the newer cars, like the Challenger and stuff. You know, you see one in a parking lot and they look nice, but you put them in something like this, they look like shit.
Yeah.
Pretty blue.
Look just like the Bullet.
Yeah. I could have bought one of those. You gotta cut that out. Looks like Dwayne's almost.
I was gonna say. Thought it was.
I remember this guy worked with the Safeway, bought a Trans Am like that, brand new. God, it was so nice. 455. Yeah. Does it? It was so nice. He took me for a ride. It was older than that. This one, see the headlights on this one. His were red. Look at the black on this car right here. Jeez. I can't believe I got rid of my 55 Chevy, you know. All the money I put in it was pretty nice, really. Jeez, what an idiot I am. That's kind of cool. Let's see who owns that.
I thought she was going to get pulled down there.
I like those old wagons.
Some of these cars are
Horrible.
Wow, here comes a nice Chevelle up here. Yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. Yeah, I know. Come on. Come on. Yeah, this is really sad. It's getting to the point where I'm not going to be able to take him to places. That's pretty too. Another nice one. Yeah, it's not that hot though.
No, I said. You said you'd not be able to take me places.
Right.
Yeah.
Another nice one. Jesus.
He says, I sold them all. I said, what are you doing?
I'm gonna need to get him a drink of water or something. Come on. It's no longer than normal, but it seems like it is.
Late 60s.
Late 60s. Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. You got it. All right. Thanks for calling back.
Do you like your Chevelle better than your 56 or your? Oh, for sale. See how much. See if it's got a price on it.
Pickup.
37,000. See in there. There you go.
This used to have some nice cars. Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm. I wonder if this water's connected to this hose. There's one. How much is that one? 12,000? Hmm. I don't know what year that truck is. Looks like it must be a Great Northern Tilt Trailer. I wonder where the company is. Wow, this would be nice. Look at this.
They're just pulling that thing.
Sheesh. Could live in it.
Upgrade on gas. No tempos, no curves.
Well, you know what? Find you one.
16,500. 1916.5. I think I see there's a sign inside there in a seat. Yep, 16.5, our best offer. 1931. What's the matter? Stony.
Don't walk around, I'm walking the steps.
Not quite the same.
From the road.
Man, look at that cloud. Looks like a fire, doesn't it?
What's that?
That cloud looks like a smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't that be horrible?
Yeah, right here we found the key.
Right here, what? Oh, yeah, I remember. Nice car.
Brayden, come here.
I like these old hit.
Do what?
I like these old hit.
Oh, yeah. on gas?
Yeah.
So how long do they run, I wonder?
A long time.
Yeah. Huh?
Some of them might be diesel. Kerosene.
Huh? No. What's it doing now?
It's cooling it.
Weird. It's weird, you know, these guys, this is what they do. They go around and sit here with their things running.
Kathy's uncle, he used to do this, but not very far.
Really? You'd think they'd overheat. That'd be cool.
Barely get Billy.
Yeah, that'd be cool. You know, Steve Martin's got, his mom's got that 1928 something sitting in the garage all in pieces. It's not a truck, but it kind of looks like that. It's wood wheels and everything, and same kind of body. The whole car sitting there. Probably sell it for like,
Steve never got into that.
I don't know. She only won like
Sell it for what?
like $300.
Really?
Yeah. But I, you know, I can't remember the name of it. It's a pretty rare car. That's what my dad, when we were kids, took that thing everywhere. Took it up to Raspberry by Raspberry Lake, Youngs Valley. There's a lot of
a 4-cylinder in it.
yeah. That's the first, I got a video of me driving it when I was like probably 10 years old. Out in the backyard. I'm hoping to find some water over here by this yeah, bathroom. Man, a lot of tractors. These aren't usually here, you know.
Oh, little border collie Australian Shepherd?
Australian Shepherd.
All Australian, all right.
Yeah.
I think there's a bathroom over there. Oh, there's one over there by the swap meet too.
Yeah, that's where I'm heading. I wanted to see if I could find some water for Stoney. Kind of a neat tractor on the end there.
Oh, there's one with a cab. That's a real luxury.
Feels good in the shade. Wonder where they are.
Fireman's thing.
I'm gonna see if I can find some water by this bathroom.
Okay.
You wanna wait for me? Where are you gonna be? Right here? I'm looking for water for you, Stoney.
Mike, there's a drinking fountain up there.
Yeah.
Have to find something.
Hold him for me for a second. See if I can find a cup or something.
Like in the garden.
I'm going to. Let's see. Come here. Come here.
I wonder if I could.
Care if I go to the bathroom real quick?
No, go ahead.
Can you open it up? See who this is? Yeah, I gotta make sure Stoney gets plenty of water because he's on a pill to for like a diuretic. Yeah. It's working though. I don't know what it's called. He was coughing so bad at night, fluid on his lungs and heart, so it helps. I wonder if it's what's in that white building over there. If that's like the headquarters or whatever. Hey, do you guys know where they would have like lost and found and stuff here?
I really don't.
No?
Maybe
Okay.
on the inside of the skating rink.
Okay, check it out. Come on.
It's funny, they never called us. They never call us.
You gonna go in there and ask? Are you working or just sitting? You know where they'd had lost and found? Yeah, we found a cell phone.
That is a great question.
He went in there.
That might be in here.
That's where he went. So. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
I'm just selling tickets. So.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. He's really getting different today. He's getting dementia. How old? He's 14 and a half.
Oh my goodness.
It's really sad. At night he gets, it's called sundowners. It's like, yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah.
At least he likes people.
Ours has seizures.
Yeah. He had this one thing where he fell and like was paralyzed and stuff for like 3 days, and then he came out of it. There's a name for it, but I can't think of what it is. He's got a heart condition, he's got a heart murmur, he's got cataracts, he's going blind, he's going deaf.
Got a full-size one?
Yeah.
He's a little small.
Well,
Yeah.
ours is
A moose.
Yeah, yours is big.
ours is hungry. It's like the hungriest dog I've ever had.
Oh, he-
almost 70 pounds.
If I put a 50-pound bag of dog food out, he'd eat the whole thing.
Oh yeah, ours likes to counter surf if you're not careful.
Yeah.
He's very
He started doing that too. Cool, pretty. I love him, it's my kid.
They're nice, though.
Yeah, take care of it. Did you find anybody?
Probably up by the museum, which is
Oh, down, right down there. Yeah. Thank you for your help. Yeah, she's beautiful.
kind of looking for something that you could put by the wood stove, keep papers and stuff in.
Oh, yeah.
Some antique.
You need to go to an antique store, or if we go over here to the thing, you mean, yeah.
And
To
maybe
put-
an old wheelbarrow. Oh, one of the old wood.
What are you gonna do with that? $8 hot dog.
Price it. That's what we had. Was price it sandwich.
Yeah. I don't have to eat.
Sorry, I have to tell you that's a gorgeous dog. It's a beautiful dog.
Thank you, thank you. He knows it. He knows it.
He's not a border collie.
Australian Shepherd. Yeah.
I have a miniature
Do you?
Australian Shepherd.
He's getting old. He's 14 and a half.
Yeah.
So he's a handful. Thank you.
You're lucky to have it.
I know. Thanks. I don't know if I want to eat here. I think I'd rather go somewhere else. I don't know what you're going to be hungry for. We could go back to that place in Arcata if you want. Hamburger place we're on the way by.
Oh, by the...
Yeah. At least we know
Yeah, that's pretty
we
good
know it's
place.
damn good. See, I always thought that thing was right here, but I guess not. It's the same place as always. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Stony. I'm gonna call my friend George.
Hey, hey.
Oh, it's ringing. Can you answer it?
No.
Try it. 11. Swipe up to unlock. Huh. What is that? I wonder. 1/2 lever. That must have just been something else. I gotta call my friend George for a second.
What did you, on the floor of your...
Don't forget what you're gonna say. Hey, I just got a text from you saying I just won a free something something. Subscribe to here to... Oh, wait it. Oh. No, thank you. I'm at the car show, so all right. Bye. All right, Mel. What were you saying?
What did you use for a floor in your shed that you built?
Plywood.
What kind of foundation does it have?
Huh?
What kind of foundation does it have?
On my shed?
Yeah. Pier blocks?
Yeah, pier blocks.
Kind of the hardest thing for me to do is to level and square that little shed up.
Are you going to use pier blocks? Because I got a bunch of them if you are.
I think I've got enough.
Let me know. I think I got like 9, 10, 11 of them. Yeah. Oh, 2,000. Anyway, if you need any, let me know. I got a lot of pressure treated 4x4s too.
Really?
Yeah.
Did they?
Wow, thing's running my battery down fast.